तो जो ये तस्वीरें आप देख पा रहे हैं अदानी मंगल सेवा की पहली एनिवर्सरी, जहां पर 500 दिव्यांग महिलाओं को मजबूत बनाने की पहल की जा रही है। जीत अदानी इस कार्यक्रम को संबोधित कर रहे हैं। इन सब के बीच अदानी डिफेंस एंड एरोस्पेस के निदेशक हैं जीत अदानी, और पहली एनिवर्सरी पर 500 दिव्यांग महिलाओं को सशक्त करने का बीड़ा यहां पर उठाया गया है। और ये सीधी तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, जहां पर अदानी डिफेंस एंड एरोस्पेस के निदेशक जीत अदानी का संबोधन, और इन सब के बीच सीधी तस्वीरें।
Becomes deeper and more meaningful when it extends beyond just the two of us. When it touches lives, creates security, and opens doors for others. As I look around this room today, it doesn't feel like I'm standing on a stage. It feels like I'm standing among stories, among families, among women who have lived life with quiet courage and strength. When Jeet and I were preparing for our own wedding, everything around us felt secure. We were surrounded by people who guided us, supported us, and reassured us that everything would be okay. And in the middle of all that happiness, one simple thought stayed with us. Is this the same sense of security available to every woman when she begins her married life? Especially for Divyang young women who already navigate life with immense strength and determination, yet often carry unspoken worries. Worries about independence, about dignity, about what the future holds. અમને આ વિચાર ઘણો સ્પર્શી ગયો અને આ વિચાર દયામતી નથી આવ્યો. આ વિચાર રિસ્પેક્ટમાંથી આવ્યો. Respect for the strength it takes to show up every single day. And from that feeling, Mangal Seva was born.
In recent years, our country has taken an important step by changing how we look at disability, by recognizing Divyangjan not through limitation, but through strength and capability. This thinking has been strongly encouraged by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, through initiatives that focus on dignity, inclusion, and empowerment rather than sympathy. That philosophy resonated deeply with us. So, like Diva was saying, all of this began with a belief. A belief that marriage should not begin with fear, a belief that support should never feel like dependence, and a belief that dignity is not something to be earned, it is something everyone deserves. When we spoke to families, we realized that for many Divyangjan women, marriage can be joyful and meaningful, but it can also bring anxiety about finance, health, and long-term security. So we felt very strongly that if we were going to do something, it had to reduce that anxiety sustainably, not add to it. So every year we decided 500 Divyangjan women who are getting married will receive an FD of 10 lakh rupees created in her own name.